now we're going to blend up these last
So we're
tomatoes.
using the roasted tomatoes in the adult recipe and in the
A
kids.
nice
Yep.
time saver. So you just put that with a little bit of water, right?
Yep.
Okay.
My kids would love these.
Well, anything that's
Oh,
sort
yeah,
of cute and
They're little-
bite-sized. Yeah.
So brioche, really don't need to use any butter on the pan.
Ooh, so you're gonna toast them.
We're making little grilled cheeses.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's so adorable. I love it. And it's amazing how kids will, just because it's a different shape or a different size, or sometimes it makes it a little bit more fun.
Absolutely, and you know what? They probably don't need that many carbs
No,
either.
no.
When can you start giving tomatoes to your kids?
So as any first food, you'd want to do that one at a time. Breast milk or formula for the first 6 months is always a good rule of thumb. After that, you probably want to go through some of your other foods. So I'd say the second half of the first year of life, maybe 8 months to a year, after they've had a chance to try some of the other
A little
ones.
bit later on.